Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the strap is rated and undamaged. This matters because kinetic energy concentrates at weak spots. Once done, walk the scene and pick solid, factory, or aftermarket recovery points on both vehicles. Make sure to use a bow shackle through the strap loop and the anchor. Do not attach to a bumper or hitch pin. Then, position both vehicles in line where possible and agree on signals. This immediate action sets a safe baseline and prevents common attachment failures. Once connected, the towing driver eases engine power and the stuck vehicle is set to neutral or as directed. This reduces drivetrain stress. Make sure to take up slack with a hand tension or a slow vehicle movement and confirm the strap runs straight without twists. Then apply brief, controlled pulls, 1 to 3 short bursts, so the strap stores kinetic energy rather than snapping. Keep your spotter visible and communicating. They watch anchor points and bystanders. This measured method minimizes damage and increases the chance of a clean free. After the vehicle moves free, the driver parks, sets the brake, and everyone rechecks surroundings before unhooking. Remove the shackle and loop the strap away from traffic. Inspect every inch for tears, melted fibers, or bent metal. If you find damage, retire the strap immediately because hidden failure can be catastrophic. Make sure to dry and store the strap out of sunlight and chemicals. If the strap twists, slips, or the vehicle doesn't budge, stop, reassess anchor points. Consider a winch or alternate angle, and never increase speed into a failed setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.